Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be showing you how to remove a sidebar in Brave browser. So in order for you to do this process, first things first is open up your Brave browser, and now guys, from here you can just simply go ahead and go to the three dots or the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just simply go for the settings over here. Now, as you can see, I have the sidebar. So if I want to remove that, I could go for the gear icon over here and search for sidebar over here. And guys, make sure that your sidebar doesn't have a space if it doesn't show anything. And now you will have the sidebar category. And from here, select this always drop down and you will have an option if you want it on mouse over. So if you do that, when you go to the left side, as you can see, the sidebar will show up. And if you really want to turn it off, you can go for never. And from here, you should be able to disable the sidebar. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.